In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually install WordPress using sftp, that's Secure File Transfer Protocol. And I'm going to be using FileZilla, which is a free FTP client that you can get at filezilla-project.org. And this is, of course, if you don't already have an FTP client. But if you are going to use FileZilla and you get to this page, be sure to use the client download button, not the server, because you want client, not server. Now, in addition to the FTP client, we also need to head over to wordpress.org/download to download the most recent version of WordPress. And there's some additional goodies on this page too that you might want to bookmark for future reference. It might answer some questions that I may not cover during this video. Let's go ahead and download WordPress while we're here. Navigate to a location on your computer where you want to download that file to, and click on Save. That downloads it because it's only about 7 megabytes, so it shouldn't take too long. And let me give you a quick overview of what we're going to be doing here. We're downloading WordPress, which we've just done, and we want to unzip that download file, and I'll show you that here in just a second, because we want to upload the contents of that folder, not the folder itself. And while that's uploading to our server, we're going to create a database, and I'm going to do this using my cPanel control panel. And then once we build our database and we've got the files uploaded, we need to connect the two, and we do that through the install path, and we're going to demonstrate that here in just a second. Enter a few more details, and voila, our WordPress site is installed and ready to go. So let's get started. I've got the WordPress files downloaded, and they're in a zip file, so I would need to unzip that. And I use 7-Zip. It's a free extractor program. You might also have one that's already built into your computer, whether it's a Mac or a PC. So either way, 7-Zip is free. You can get that at 7-zip.org, I believe. Go ahead and extract that, and just parent